Guys, I am Cyberscotch. Welcome back to another video of mine. Sorry I couldn't put the face cam on. I'm just eating, so I don't want you to see my face. Okay, well, I'm not eating. I just don't feel like face camming right now. So yeah, I'll take this video without face cam, and today we're gonna be testing out this game called Subway Surfers World Tour Dubai. So let's see how it goes. And please don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit that bell to be notified on every single video that I make. And please subscribe, like, and comment below. Now, as I start, I just want to say I just downloaded this game like a few minutes ago. Here, a few minutes ago. So I'm just gonna start the game now. But please don't forget to spread the virus. Join Cyberscotch. Subscribe to my channel, please. And now we will start. Okay. Oh, it rewinds. Okay, bam. First one's up, bam. Oh my gosh. Ronnie, yo, whoa. Okay. You rock, now go. I guess that means I should go on my own. I missed that S. Oh my gosh. And that's part of my name. Scotch. It's the first letter of Scotch. I actually wanted to make my name Cyberswitch. I don't know why. I just wanted to make my name Cyberswitch. So I'm like, hey, Cyberswitch. Okay, first my name was like Flashpoint. Then it became Cyberscotch. Cause Flashpoint, when people had to search for my name, there were too many flashpoints. So I had to change my name completely to Cyberscotch. And that's actually good cause that's my sister's Instagram name. No, wait, that is not my sister's Instagram name. That is, yeah, my cousin. No, oh no, I actually got that name from a TV show. So yeah, I got it from a TV show. And as you can see, I just died. Well, time to play again. This time I know I'm an expert. So I'm gonna try and see if I die. Boom and boom. Boom. Look how awesome this game is. Oh my god. You guys should really install this game. Play Store or App Store right now. Install it. Subway Surfers World Tour. It can be any world tour. It can be Dubai for all I care. It can be any world tour. Just download Subway Surfers World Tour, please. This is such a great game. But the game I recommend you to download is what's it called? Badminton. Yeah, it's Badminton. It's Badminton League. It's Badminton League. Yeah. I'm actually gonna make a video on it one of these days soon about how great it is. I actually want to recommend playing it. I played for you guys to see how great it is. Go and install it. Also, I'm gonna be making some challenges like you laugh, you lose. You laugh, you lose. So yeah. So I don't want that to happen. So yeah, I'm just going to give us 3 lives, but I'll tell you when right after I make the badminton one it's my next video. Okay, you know what? Just subscribe and hit the notification bell, and it will tell you about my video. Cause like it's hard to explain when I'm gonna make it, but it's actually a good video. Yeah. So as you can see, I haven't died. Not yet. Oh my gosh. That was just a waste. And here I go. Here I go. Dubai looks like such a great place. Okay, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I think I'm gonna stop soon. So yeah, I don't want it to make 10 minutes. Cause some people don't have enough data. Or they don't have a data plan. So yeah, their internet connection might finish. So I just need to make this video short, so if I die here then it's over, guys. Then you know, please subscribe to my channel, download this game, do the most, guys. Subscribe to my channel, spread the virus, and subscribe to my friend's channel. His name is Zombie Zone. I'm actually gonna make a video with him. He lives where I live, like the same unit, okay, or something like that. I can't reveal location, guys. I do not want to be banned from YouTube. Yeah, so literally it's what I am. So one of these days I will make a bottle flip challenge of me and him, and we will see who wins and who loses. So yeah, make sure to hit that notification button, subscribe, and do the most, guys. Please, I am begging you. Subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, I promise you, one of you guys can win a prize. Like, I actually did it on my last YouTube channel, but then I deleted my account because I had to restart my phone. I did that, like, I literally gave someone, like, okay, it wasn't that much, but yeah, I gave them like $100 just for being my first subscriber. So if you just subscribe, hit that notification button, like and comment below, you can be one of the lucky ones I choose to get a prize. So yeah, it's over, guys. See you later. Adios and bye bye. Wait, okay, yeah, bye bye.